Let's learn about months of the year. January. January, the year begins in the heart of winter, with chilly winds and snowy landscapes setting the tone for new beginnings. It's a time for resolutions and fresh starts. February. February, the shortest month, filled with the deep cold of winter, brings a touch of romance with Valentine's Day and hints of the approaching spring. March. March, spring starts to stir as winter's grip loosens, bringing the promise of renewal with longer days and blooming flowers. April. April, known for its unpredictable weather, April showers pave the way for vibrant blooms and the full embrace of spring. May. May, the beauty of spring reaches its peak with blossoming flowers and warmer weather, making it a favorite for outdoor activities. June. June, summer begins, bringing longer days and a sense of freedom with school vacations and the start of many outdoor adventures. July. July, midsummer is in full swing, with heat waves, beach outings, and vibrant celebrations of Independence Day in many countries. August. August, the warmth continues as summer nears its end, perfect for vacations and enjoying the last days of sunny weather. September. September, as summer fades, autumn begins, bringing cooler temperatures and the return to school and work routines. October. October, fall is in full color, with crisp air and vibrant foliage, along with festive Halloween celebrations. November. November, the chill of late autumn sets in, leading up to the season of gratitude with Thanksgiving and preparations for the winter holidays. December. December, the year closes with the warmth of holiday celebrations, cozy gatherings, and reflections on the past year as winter fully arrives.